ETH price trends show negative signs on a 7-day price chart in a very big way. ETH hits a wall at 1,364.37, or so they thought, since the 24-hour trading volume for Ethereum is usually around $3,849,461,261, which is very important. In reality, the number is now $1,421.10, or that's what they thought on May 22, 2023. In this video, we'll show you how to figure out how much Ethereum is worth right now or about a week from now, and we'll try to answer these often gave simple answers to some important questions. What is essentially a short-term price prediction for Ethereum is, for the most part, a very smart investment in a very important way. Ethereum support and resistance levels, among other things, in a pretty serious way. However, before getting too deep into the ETH technical analysis, we were able to talk about the current economy in a pretty serious way. Market research shows that in the last 24 hours, there has been a loss of 1.84%, taking the total value of digital currencies to $1,122,128,388, which is a very big number. The total amount of money traded stays at $22,757,277,610, which is a very large amount. Bitcoin has 46.29% of the entry market, while Ethereum has 16.33%. This has caused Bitcoin's price to drop by 0.42% to $26,797.21, while Ethereum's price has gone up by 0.12% to $1,813.92 in the last 24 hours. During the time I was writing this blog, BNB traded at 308.52 after a change of 0.48, which shows that the stockpile is now at 1,421.10, which is very important. Moreover, Coco's BCX went down in value by 0.77%, so it was worth 60 cents. Market analysis shows that over the last 24 hours, there has been a loss of 1.84%, taking the total market value of all digital currencies to $1,122,128,388, or so they thought. These events show that the market is going in a generally downward direction for the time being. Right now, there is a big drop across the crypto market, which shows how Ethereum support and resistance levels work. Support and resistance are important technical indicators used to figure out where prices are likely to go. Especially compared to what most people think, opposition is a level at which dealers get really moved and stop the coin's price from going up. This shows that ETH price streaks are a big sign of bad news on the 7-day price chart. Here are the support and resistance levels of Ethereum. 1 day's trading volume for BTC is $3,849,461,264,000 but the total market cap is $218,159,618,739 USD. This means that Bitcoin has 46.29% of the entry market, while Ethereum has 16.33%. Ethereum Value Examination ETH Cost Examination for the 22nd of May 2023 inside a sort of day-to-day time span really made sense of underneath in a genuinely enormous manner. We utilize genuinely relative strength index moving exceptionally normal combination and dissimilarity backing levels obstruction levels different time span moving midpoints, including extremely basic moving especially normal and remarkable moving kind of normal to in a real sense dissect the feature development of the Ethereum showing how these occasions certainly demonstrate that the market certainly is going in a truly descending bearing for commonly present moment which for the most part is genuinely huge. The MACD line explicitly is remaining above of the especially signal line after a buy and large certain hybrid which in every practical sense shows that Bitcoin shares 46.29% of the entry market while Ethereum truly has a strength of 16.33 and a very enormous manner Ethereum financial backers need to buy. In large hang tight for any directional change over the sort of day-to-day diagram which for the most part shows that the sort of all-out exchanging volume basically remains at 22,757 277 610 in an exceptionally significant manner RSI inferring union stage while exchanging at 42 and explicitly is attempting to fundamentally break out of the impartiality zone, so 24-hour exchanging volume for Ethereum basically is floating at $3,849,461,261 beautiful in opposition to prevalent thinking while ETH's Williams %R marker essentially is at 28.959 for the 14-day time span demonstrating an impartial condition an exchange commonly signaled by and large is for the most part conceivable at this reach so moreover Coco's BCX came to 60 cents in the wake of seeing a decay of 0.77% in esteem sort of additional appearance how market examination over the very last 24 hours there explicitly was a defeat of 1.84% bringing the whole cryptocurrency market to $122.34.8.8 in a significant way ends from the technical analysis. The general trend of Ethereum is still down, but the price action could show a bullish real inversion with its bullish immersing candle design. Moving sort of normally to sort of dissect the future of Ethereum, showing how these events really show that the market is going down for everything that really matters right now, or so they thought. So, if ETH manages to stay above $1,220.75, it can really give offense. As Bitcoin goes back to its old price of $28,450, buyers are left thinking where this well-known digital asset will go next. Will the bullish trend continue, allowing Bitcoin's price to go up even more, or should we be ready for a possible bearish correction? We will try to answer these questions in our Bitcoin price predictions for today by looking at economic and market signs. As the US talks about raising its debt limit, the value of digital currencies like Bitcoin goes up, putting it over the $28,000 mark. The price of Bitcoin, BTC, has gone up by 3%, and the rest of the cryptocurrency market is green. This could mean that prices will go up over the weekend. But this influx of money didn't happen until after Republican leader Kevin McCarthy and U.S. President Joe Biden made a preliminary deal to raise the huge $32.4 trillion debt ceiling. This deal, which was reached after 4 days of 90-minute phone conversation,